So I'm going to be making an orange immunity drink with my NutriBullet juicer. Got some anti-inflammatory stuff, celery, ginger, and turmeric, and some vitamin C and antioxidant stuff, orange, grapefruit, and carrots. I'm going to start by prepping